Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's so cute. It's a cute little toadstool bag, except the next one I'm going to make isn't. Toadstool's not featured, unless I decide to stamp some, but I'm not sure yet. But yeah, just a super sweet little bag. Put some sweeties in it, put it on a table. You could maybe make it a place card if somebody's name was on it. Something like that. Not sure. Right. You can get 3 from a sheet of designer series paper because you only need a piece that's 4 by 12 inches. So, you know, frugal bargain here. So what's that? 36 you could get from a pack of designer series paper. Yeah, loads. Right, 10 by 30.5 centimetres, 4 by 12 inches. We're going to start on the long side. Now, arguably, it could go that way round because these branches are that way round and you've got the stumps there. But I'm going with this way because I figured the flower's right and that's maybe a fallen one. I don't know. Right, on the long side, score it at 1 inch. 5 3/4, 6 3/4 and 11.5 inches, which in metric is 2.5, 14.5, 17 and 29. And then on the short side, on what would be the bottom, score it at 1 inch, 2.5 centimetres. And the finished dimensions, I'm going to drop my scoreboard, 1 inch by 3 inches by 4 3/4, which is 2.5 centimetres by 7.5 by 12. Okay, so let's get this burnished. Do you like my addition? Belgium and Ireland are coming soon. Don't have exact dates or anything yet, but they're on their way, and I've had lots of people get in touch and say, yes, I'm so excited, who are in Belgium or Ireland. So I've got a lovely list of names of people who are excitedly waiting for the day that we open because you're wanting to join my team or start shopping. But we are obviously already in the UK, the Netherlands, Austria, Germany and France. So we're opening the... Oh, reaching for a pair of scissors and I've got some right to the side of me. So yeah, we're already open there. Okay, so with it the right way round in the bottom, I'm going to just nick off that little rectangle down there with a pair of scissors whose tip has gone. Oh well. And then cut straight up the rectangle and the square on those score lines. This is such an easy little bag to make. It really is. Right, where's my tearing tape? Oops. So I'm going to run some along there. And then on the inside, yes, no, which inside of this one, couldn't work out where I was going then. Is anybody else ridiculously hot? Those of you in the UK who are not used to this heat. I thought we'd had our heat wave a few weeks ago, apparently not. It's back again with a vengeance. Okay, so that's taped down there. And I'm popping my 2 sides in the back, and I've pre-taped there. Oops, can't get hold of it. And there, I just put my fingers in. And so it's really easy, you just push in the sides, just like that. Our paper is good quality enough that it's not going to crumple, like that. And then we've got these 2 ribbons. Oh. One of them's stuck. So these 2 come as part of this bundle, and I went with the Sahara Sun, but I might go with the old olive this time because we've got some green on the front, except I've got a crease in there. Get rid of that. And I'm going to tie a square knot and then position it afterwards. Far too much there, but oh well, not to worry. So that's on there. Now I've got the stamp set. It's called Happier Than Happy, and I hadn't noticed this is a $1 Million Achiever set. Diane Dimich Love it, Diane. This is gorgeous, and I love the fact that it comes with dies. So I went with the owl on a tree stump. I kind of like the owl on the tree stump. I think it works. We've got tree stumps on there already, but I might go with a couple of toadstools. So let me just check which ones I can die cut. Oh, I could do both of them. And what word shall I go? Thank you or thanks? I think I might stick with that one. Because I thought these could be favour bags or something like that. Right, have I got some Road Whisper white? No, brand new. Basic white, still can't say it. What's it been? 6 months, 8 months, 12 months? Long time. Alright, I'm just going to trim that down so that it will fit inside my mini cut and emboss. That's too big. Oh, got a bit of glitter on there. There we go. One tree stump, one owl, two toads. Oh goodness me, look at all my blocks, they've got all sorts on them. Oh, I'm going to have to get a small child to glue them. Clean them. Okay, so I'm reckoning soft suede for my tree stump. It's quite dark to be fair. Sahara sand for my owl. Oh, what's happened to that? What colour is that? What colour's that in there? Oh, I don't know. I don't know what that red is. I want to say Poppy Parade, but I don't know that it is. So I'm going to look in my catalogue. And the reason I'm looking in my catalogue is because page 46 to 47, when you have designer series paper, underneath the paper listing will be a list of all the, well, some of the colours, most of the colours that are in there. It's telling me it's Calypso Coral. Really? Wow, I would not have said that. So let's have a go with Calypso Coral, which I can't see. I'm not convinced it is. No, it is, but I don't like it. So I'm going to go Poppy Parade, I think. Or maybe Sweet Sword. Oh, decisions, I don't know. Let's try Poppy Parade. Yeah, I prefer that. And then, oh, I want a Poppy Parade. No, I'm going to have Old Olive. Let's just go through every ink pad in my collection. My words. Okay. I'm going to sweep that lot out of the way. And I'm going to get my mini cut and emboss. I've got my base plate, a clear plate. Probably ought to get my dies out. So I want them not to be stuck. That one, that one, that one. Oh, which toadstools? Oh, I'm going to say it's definitely the small one. Is it that one? Yes. Oh, I could have 3 there. Oh, let's have another. Where are you? Yeah, because I've got 3 dies. There's a third one. And then I've got some mini post-it notes. Oh, those are far too big. Oh well. Thanks. Little mini toadstools. They're adorable. I love toadstools. I'm sure I've said it before, but I have multiple Christmas trees in my house. Don't judge. I have multiple Christmas trees. 4 full-size 6 and 7 foot Christmas trees. One of which is in my hall, the front hall as you walk through the door. And it has toadstools on it. Because why not? I'm going to be able to do all of these in one go. Ish. This lot all off the edges. Do you know what? That's a set of 10 different packs of post-it notes, and I picked out the biggest ones I could. Silly Sam. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, more haste, less speed. A washi tape probably would work better, but I'll run it out. Pause. I will sort this out. And as if by magic. You know what? And even doing them off like a camera, and I still couldn't get them lined up. Oh. Die cutting is not my skill set. Or rather, impatient die cutting, where I try to do 6 at the same time. But we'll just pretend that didn't happen. Okay, let me just move everything. And I can bring these in. So I want to find my linen thread. Because I'm going to tie a little bow for the end of my thanks. And, well, yeah, one towel is in the wrong direction. Oops. Okay, I'm going to turn that over, and I'm going to pick up a glue dot on the back and hope that this sticks to the bit in the hole. It does. And then I've got the dimensionals. I've got the mini black ones. Probably ought to get round to ordering some mini white ones, but you know. Oops. Oh, for goodness sake. I've got dropsy. Little toadstools on there, and then put my thanks across there, and cute little gift bags. I think they're really sweet. I hope you like them too. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.